Hello. Today I want to show you how to fix an Iqos device that is not charging. Now for me it's charging, and this device was broken, defective, let's say, and wouldn't want to charge anymore. So first take your pen out of the case, the charger, put it somewhere else as you don't need for this. Okay, take your device, your charging device. As soon as you put your power cable inside, is not charging. What you want to try before doing this repair or this fix, I cannot say repair as you don't repair it, you just fix it. You can try to change your power brick or your power cable. First, open it up. Take a pry tool, a pair of tweezers, and a pry tool you will need for this. Take your pry tool, start from this corner right here where the hinges. Put your pry tool between these two plastics. These are just two caps that come over the device. So put your pry tool here and pry it up. There are some plastic clips that needs to pop off all around the edge, and one cap is out. Here is the motherboard, small motherboard. Here is where the pan rests and charge. Here is the battery. Take out this side out too. Again, put your pry tool inside. Pry it up a little, then go around the edge and try to open. Careful, on this side there is a glue that keeps this plastic in place. Here is the glue. As you can see, it's sticky. The plastic case, put it here, and to take this part off you need to remove the pen housing in order to take the battery and motherboard out. In order to do that, or simply try to, for this fix, simply try to remove the battery. Here in the housing, but it's hard to remove it here. Now you remove the battery from the motherboard, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and maybe you want to push for 30 seconds on the power button to reset and take all the current out of the circuit. Now I will not put my battery back on. I want to disassemble it in order to show how to disassemble it all. But you can try to put first your power cord inside and then plug in your battery. This should force the battery to, this will shock, let's say, you will give a shock to the battery in case the battery has gone at 0 voltage, has dropped low 0 voltage and is not charging anymore. You will shock the battery this way by putting your cable inside and then plug in the battery. So right now I want to show you how to disassemble the whole inside here. There are some plastic clips that holds wait a minute, or maybe let's say 2 seconds. Let me try to do something here as I forgot at start. Now I believe it's better. And I don't want to film this anymore. I forgot to start my lining system, but it's pretty easy to do it. You need to pry tool this up and this, take them out, remove your battery. In this video it's not important what I do but what I say, and I believe that I remember the proper time, as I need some quality in order to show you this. There are some plastic clips here and to here that keeps the pen hold in house. Pen, the plastic for the where the pen goes here. After you pull that clips, push it down and start from this. Be careful, there are 2 plastic or rubber bands that goes inside on these pins in order to protect the motherboard from the plastic of this housing. You don't want to lose them. So now just push from this side the battery up, take out your battery, and from this side just lift slowly from your motherboard and it's out. You can clean it. I recommend it to clean it. I'm going to do this right now. I'm gonna use some rubbing alcohol, just 2 seconds, and I'm coming back. Alright, I got a toothbrush. If you don't want, you don't need to take one, but you can clean it with a paper towel or wet towels, but I would like to clean it better with some rubbing alcohol, the case and not the motherboard, as it's not that dirty, but I will clean this pen housing. And I will clean the pen itself. To clean it, just pull from this up and then apply some force and it should come out. Now it's pretty dirty inside. I believe this is the only part I can clean. Yeah, it's very dirty, as you can see. There are a lot of residue from the cigarettes inside. I'm gonna take paper towel and I'll try to clean that from inside. Okay, I will use a pair of tweezers and some paper towel to clean this. Look what is inside the pan. But first I will, before cleaning the pan, let's wait 1 minute and reassemble this. Use a towel, paper towel, to clean the housing inside. Put your motherboard. Connect your battery first, maybe it's the best thing to do here. And as you can see, mine is charged and is running. After I've done this device was broken and I fixed with this method. Alright, put your motherboard back inside like you, in the same way you take it out. Put back the plastic rubber on these pins. Alright, put back your plastic pan housing. It's pretty simple to disassemble it and assemble it back. You don't need screws or screwdrivers, and yeah, it really takes very little time. Just apply some force here in order to put back. Every piece of plastic. Okay, careful, I forgot here that it's a little bit of sketchy. As it's not that simple to put this back. Alright, looks like I need to find a plastic rubber band. And it's inside. Be careful, there is a metal here that this plastic clip needs to push that metal outside toward the side of the device and put it from inside like this. As you can see here, the metal it's outside from the plastic. Then find the spots for all the clips and push them back. All the clips are back together. Here's the metal that is outside. Now you can put your case back. Verify if your device is starting. Yeah, looks like my device is not wanting to start. Let me try to plug it. Yeah, the connector from the battery has a problem, from what I can see. The fact that is so small and the way that wire comes here in this loop, it makes them go short and not do enough contact, I believe, on the pins. Maybe this is a problem of the Iqos, as mine doesn't want it to start. So let's put the case back. Just push back the clips, the caps, like this. It's working. And let's try to clean this head. As you can see, there's a lot of residue there. You can try and use a wet paper. I will use a dry one, but you can try and use a wet one on your device. And maybe a better way. You need to clean this, and I believe there is some device in the package that cleans this out inside. I will not clean mine as I don't have the proper tool to do it, and I don't want to damage the inside of the device. Put everything back. And this is it. I hope it helps you, and I hope it will fix your issue with the device and that you find this helpful. Thank you, and I will post more soon. Enjoy.